Differences in sensory processing impact the formation of relationships throughout the lifespan. That impacts our ability to participate and function in multiple ways. This world was generally designed for one type of body, and when we have differences in sensory processing and integration, that can impact every domain of human function. Children with sensory processing differences grow into adults with sensory processing differences. And at Star Institute, we have a thriving and much sought after adult and adolescent service, mostly because we kept hearing from parents of the kids that were coming that they needed this. There was a 2011 study exploring the relation between sensory processing and anxiety in adults, and it found that both over-responsivity and under-responsivity correlated with higher rates of anxiety. And just this year, in the Journal of Mental Health Counseling, there was an article discussing the importance of understanding differences in sensory processing for successful mental health intervention. This is very much something that everybody needs to know about, and that adults need support with too. It impacts the ability to engage with our children, to parent, to be successful at work, to find that joyful balance. Cultivating a sensory lifestyle supports psychological well-being, and it doesn't matter how old you are. So we really want people to understand that these different presentations of differences in sensory integration and processing matter. They matter at every stage of life. They matter regardless of the context we're talking about. And they pretty much always impact relationships. One of the things you'll notice in these stories that we're telling is that people can be doing fine. They can have found their groove and a lifestyle that works for them. But then something comes along and changes it in a small or a large way, and that can feel catastrophic. So that's how precarious life can be when we have these differences in sensory integration and processing. And so understanding them is all the more worthwhile.